Hello, everybody. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. Right now I'm just kind of hanging out right now, just doing. I was just sitting here, just kind of planning out this video for you guys. So right now I'm actually right now the sun is out. It's a beautiful day, but it's actually really windy today for some reason. So. Um, I need to get into a couple of things with you guys so far. Number one, I'm going to be planning a video for the summer, and this video is going to be in it's going to be planned out for the summer, and we're going to be doing is we're going to be um, doing something for my birthday weekend. So hopefully, I'm gonna talk to my dad about it. But we might be going to up to a place that where my mom's family used to have a cabin near the beach. So we might go up there for my birthday. Who knows? We'll see what happens. And yeah, it should be okay. It should be a fun thing to do. Uh, as to when that's gonna be happening, it should be in sometime in August. It'll be in it will be in August for sure. So, but I do have some other exciting videos. Some pretty good videos coming out for you guys pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. And this week is gonna be all about videos from here on until Friday. Saturday and Sunday. Um, I was gonna try to plan with no videos on Saturday and Sunday because of our general conference coming up. Um, but I was like, you know what? I was like, I definitely need to do something that day, just to get it in early, so that way I don't have to do it later in the day. So that's what I probably might end up doing. Um, as to what else is going on for the rest of the day, I will keep you informed with that coming up in the future, sometime later on today. Today is my first recording of the week, so I'm excited about that. I probably might try to keep the next couple of videos to a bare minimum. So far that is the plan with that so far. Hey, if you haven't seen my video from last night, I did a story video on that. Let me know in the comments if you would want to see that with some more of those videos, and I will definitely put in more videos for that. Oops, sorry about that, guys. I don't know what that was. Hmm, interesting. Uh, but if you actually want to yeah, if you guys want to see some more of those videos, go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I will I will try to get, and I will do some more of those videos for you. So, um, but anyways, I'm gonna plan on a hike. I don't know if we're gonna be if I'm gonna be recording that. I'm not sure yet, so we'll see what happens. But otherwise, we're we're actually planning on more videos for next week as well. Uh, I was actually gonna try to think about doing some arts and crafts. If you guys would like to see those videos as well, I'm trying to do some new things to kind of get more you kind of spice up my my video to spice up my videos a little bit. But I will do whatever it takes to get you to make more videos for you guys. So, but in the meantime, I will go ahead and end it here. Um, but if you guys did like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will go ahead and end the video here. So I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.